Positive is a post-consumer supplemental cementitious material derived from post-consumer recyclables that replaces a percentage of Portland cement in concrete. It actually creates a sustainable high-performance concrete. Positive combats climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, diverting glass from landfills, reducing the need for virgin mine materials. It supports local economies and helps achieve green initiatives by contributing to LEED budgets. Our industry didn't really embrace sustainability in the way that it should have.
We have a certain luxury of living, but as we consume resources and as we contribute to the levels of CO2 in a way that's never been done in the history of our being on this planet, we are not focused on saving what we have for future generations.
According to the US EPA, for every pound of Portland cement that's manufactured, a pound of CO2 gas emissions occur. So it's a pound for pound equation, a pound of mass for a pound of gas gets generated. An 8 by 8 by 16 concrete block consists of 5 pounds of Portland cement. There's 5 pounds of carbon emissions that are generated in that 5 pounds of Portland cement. I could substitute a 30% replacement of the Portland cement in that concrete block. The net savings is approximately 1.5 pounds of carbon emissions. I don't burn the post-consumer glass, and that's where the carbon emissions occur.
Cement is the most polluting product in terms of CO2 on the planet. It is responsible for somewhere between 7 and 8% of the world's CO2. So if you could cut that by 30% worldwide, it would be enormous. It would be the single biggest move that anybody could make anywhere.
Positive fits the Presidential Executive Order 13514 by diverting non-hazardous solid waste from landfill, bottle redemption glass, curbside recycled glass, window pane glass. It's taken from the waste stream. That's significant because glass doesn't biodegrade. In terms of every pound of Portland cement that's replaced with positive, about 2.63 empty Heineken bottle equivalents are saved from being landfilled.
I grew up in a little town. We were really a local economy. We did not have strawberries in the middle of the winter. We did not. And since then, I think we're now looking back at that as something, how do we re-knit a more local economy?
We recover our region's recyclable glass, and we use that glass in concrete building materials that return to that same region. This can be done nationwide. It really captures the essence of the full circle of recycling at its best.
Today we're here at City Point. We're taking this up to the 25th floor using the Pozzotive as one of the primary components of the planks that we produce. First time in New York we'll be embarking on such a venture. We intend to be a part of the Pozzotive marketplace so that we can share with fellow New Yorkers the importance of the green effect.
Having a glass bottle, it's fine to have it, but how do we recycle that into a productive process is very important. The idea of taking the New York City waste, processing it, and then putting it into concrete that is used again to build New York City. This is a fantastic little local ecology that has grown up around this very creative process.
Ultimately, we want to preserve our planet for future generations, and we are achieving this goal by converting conventional building materials into sustainable alternatives.